A very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. B. Kannapiran, working as professor in the Department of ECE. I am going to handle the course Artificial Intelligence. This course is being offered as Open LIT course for the students across all departments except ECE. Let us see the course outcomes. The course outcome for Unit 1: identify a suitable artificial intelligence methods for solving the given problems. The course outcome for Unit 2: explain the knowledge representation using various logics and rule-based system. The course outcome for Unit 3: explain the knowledge using various reasoning techniques. The course outcome for Unit 4: interpret the concept of planning and machine learning. The course outcome for Unit 5: explain the concept of typical expert system and its architectures. Now we are going to see about the course content. So before discussing about the course content, we need to discuss some of the basic fundamentals. So the students belong to biology background. They very well know about the three parts of brain. So one is cerebrum, and cerebellum and brainstem. So cerebrum is also known as forebrain, and cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, and it plays a crucial role in motor control, coordination and balance. And brainstem, which connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord and includes the midbrain, pons and medulla. So the main two things we are going to discuss about with respect to brain functions. One is going to be cognitive domain, another one is going to be schema. So the main function of schema, which is going to interpret the change in attributes with respect to the object or whatever the things which we are going to see on our day-to-day life. So the change in attributes are going to be perceived by the schema, and this is going to be stored in the form of knowledge in cognitive domain, right? So when the cognitive domain, which is having the complete information about that particular object or whatever the items, so we are going to say the knowledge is going to be completely available in cognitive domain. So once the knowledge is going to be complete, the human being behave like intelligent, right? So when we talk about the artificial intelligence, so artificial, which is going to be the man-made things, and intelligent, which is going to be how the human being behave like intelligent. Once the human being is going to be having the complete information about the particular thing. For example, when you are going to familiar about C programming, so you are completely known about the syntax and what are the various operators, strings, and which is used in C language. And once you are familiar about the complete things about the C programming, so you are going to be the intelligent in C programming. So you can able to provide the necessary information to the system, and the system is also behaving like intelligent to execute certain task, right? So here Unit 1, we are going to discuss about the introduction to artificial intelligence. So here we are going to see about the basics about artificial intelligence and problem formulation and problem definition, how we can able to formulate the problem and how it is going to be solved by using various production systems and control strategies. And here we are also discuss about the production system characteristics and various heuristic search algorithms. So heuristic in the sense the priori knowledge. So when we want to know certain information, so we can able to refer the textbook, or we can sit with the Google, we can able to find out certain things. So those things we are going to call as heuristic search. And this heuristic search, which is going to be discussed up with in detail with depth first search and breadth first search algorithm. And in addition to that, we are going to discuss about generate and test hill climbing and best first search algorithm. So here we are going to see about only the algorithm steps. We are not going to solve any kind of problems using this algorithm. And the final topic, which is going to be how artificial intelligence is used in game playing applications. So the unit 1, which is going to mainly discuss about basics about artificial intelligence and production system and production system characteristics and different heuristic search algorithms, and finally AI in game playing applications. As far as unit 2 is concerned, we are going to discuss about the representation of knowledge, how the knowledge is going to be represented in various forms, and also we are going to discuss about mapping and different approaches and what are all the issues with respect to knowledge. And in addition to that, we are going to discuss about knowledge representation using predicate logic and propositional logic, and we are also discuss about the resolution and use of predicate calculus and knowledge representation using rules, logic programming. Then we also discuss about forward versus backward knowledge. So unit 2, which mainly discuss about representation of knowledge and issues in representation of knowledge and how this knowledge is going to be represented with respect to propositional logic and predicate logic. And unit 3 is concerned, we are going to discuss about mainly about reasoning. So here we are going to discuss about different reasoning and logics and implementation issues. And unit 1 we have discussed in the topic like depth first search and breadth first search algorithm. So here we are going to discuss about certain implementation issues and statistical reasoning like probability, Bayes theorem and Bayesian network. A simple that is example we are going to discuss with respect to probability, Bayesian theorem and Bayesian network, how we can able to solve the real world problems. And in addition to that, we are going to discuss about the Dempster-Shaft theory and fuzzy logic. And fuzzy logic, how we can use it for solving the real-time problem. So as far as unit 3 is concerned, we are going to discuss about reasoning, implementation issues. Then we are going to discuss about statistical reasoning. And finally, we are going to discuss about Dempster-Shaft theory and fuzzy logic. Then unit 4 we are going to discuss about the knowledge acquisition and machine learning. So here we are going to learn about knowledge acquisition process. We all know that knowledge acquisition which is going to be happen through the process of learning, and we are going to discuss about meta knowledge, then components of planning system. So whatever the task we are going to execute, so basically or initially we should have certain plan to execute that particular task. Then we are going to learn about the understanding, then different types of learning like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and the rote learning, then explanation based learning, inductive learning, and finally how this AI is used for solving the natural language processing, right? So here unit 4 we are going to discuss about the knowledge acquisition process, then different types of learning and application with natural language processing. Then unit 5 we are going to discuss about expert systems. So here we are going to discuss about how the expert system model is going to be developed by the experts and who are all the members of expert system, and here what are their roles on developing the various expert system model. Then knowledge acquisition, meta knowledge and heuristics, and typical expert system tools like MyZin, myocardial infection, then DART, dynamic analysis replanning tool, then Exxon, so that is expert system configurer, then expert system shells. Finally AI is used for robotic application. So the unit 5 mainly discuss about expert system model, and who are all the members or the team involved in the development of expert system, and expert system tools like MyZin, DART, XCon, and expert system cells. And also we are going to discuss about AI for robotics. And the textbook we are going to refer and we are going to follow Kevin Knight and Alan Rich and Nair B. Artificial Intelligence, Tata McGraw-Hill Publications, and R.B. Misra, Artificial Intelligence, Prentice Hall of India. It is these two textbooks which are going to be referred for artificial intelligence course. Then few reference books listed here. So these reference books and textbooks are available in our library. So you can refer the textbook and reference book for this course. And the video files with respect to artificial intelligence course, it is available in NPTEL also. So you can refer the web resources through the NPTEL. Thank you.